Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by loosening the lifted edge with a flat pry bar. Slide it gently under the shingle above to expose nails without tearing the tab. Once the nails are visible, lift only the necessary tab. Do not rip the shingle. Make sure to cut any old adhesive strings with a utility knife so the new seal will sit flush. As you work, keep small controlled motions to avoid cracking. Once done, remove debris and prep the nail line for reattachment carefully. With the tab lifted, spread a thin 1/4-inch bead of roofing cement directly beneath the tab where it meets the shingle below. This creates a weatherproof bond. Next, set 1 or 2 roofing nails into the original nail line. Use short, controlled taps so you don't overdrive and split the shingle. After nailing, press the tab down firmly into the cement, rubbing with a gloved finger or a block to seat the granules. Make sure the seal is continuous and there are no gaps. To finish, bed the nail heads and the tab edge with a dab of roofing cement and press the granulated surface into place so wind uplift won't pry it loose. If the shingle is cracked, curled, or has compromised nail holes, replace it instead of repairing. That prevents repeat failures. Once done, test by gently tugging the repaired shingle and then inspect after the next rain. If you see any seepage, lift and reapply cement, or install a full replacement to stop leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.